Welcome to Into Xanadu. Ito ay isang sentro komersyal na matatagpuan outside Madrid Center. So, first time ko lang din tong papasukin guys dahil ito ay isang sorpresa lamang sa akin ni Danstan and Kim bilang regalo o surprise gift for Mother's Day. So, gusto kong magbigay ng isang shout out para kay Kim and Danstan dahil naalala nila ako on Mother's Day. Actually, it's a double celebration kasi si Kim din ay isang ina na rin, isang dakilang ina. Recommended ko ang Centro Commercial na ito guys kasi perfect talaga siya ng buong pamilya. Kasi sa loob meron na rin siyang tinatawag na Parque Nieve na kung saan merong recreation for skiing and snowboarding. And of course meron ding cable car. At dito rin matatagpuan ang Atlantis Aquarium na hindi ko pa napasok for 5 years na andito ako sa Madrid. So, perfect siya kasi kasama ko na rin si Carissa at alam ko ma-enjoy niya. Pero hindi pa kami papasok dyan guys dahil iikutin muna natin ang loob bago tayo papasok sa aquarium kasi yun talagang target point dyan dahil yun ang sorpresa pala ni Kim na nalaman ko lang din nung nandyan na kami. Pareho kaming first timer sa lugar na to. So, hindi kami nag-atubiling ikutin ang buong mall para malaman namin kung ano ang nasa loob. So, as you can see guys, ang daming bar and restaurant sa loob. So, hindi kayo magugutom. Need nyo lang magdala ng pera kung gusto nyo kumain ng kumain dito. Kasi perfect talaga to guys for one day bonding ng pamilya. May mga bars and restaurants dito na diyan ko lang nakikita, hindi ko nakikita sa Madrid or maybe meron pero sadyang hindi ko lang siya nakita dahil lagi lang naman ako sa Sol, yan Gran Via. So may mga shops na bigatin and meron ding Primor. Nakapag-shop kami dyan sa Primor bago kami nag-aquarium. And then, ayan, may nakita akong magagandang designs. Ang cute niya. Pero hindi kami nag-stop doon. So, malaki siyang mall, guys. Actually, napagod nga ako dyan dahil dumating kami yata alauna and then umalis kami ng mga 8 or 9. Sobrang nakakapagod kasi malaki siya. Hindi ko lang ma-compare sa ibang mall. Basta malaki siya. So, ayan, nag-stop by muna kami sa Primor kasi may binili ako for Carissa. And then, meron ding El Corte Inglés. Biruin nyo guys, sa loob ng mall na yan, meron na rin El Corte Inglés. Katulad ng San Sebastian na Centro Commercial din. So, ang kaibahan lang kasi dito, meron siyang cinema, meron siyang Parque Nieve, tas meron siyang aquarium, and then meron entertainment para sa mga bata, katulad ng yung car riding and mini train. At dahil shopping center siya, of course, si Carissa hindi nagpapahuli. Nag-shopping na naman siya.
This is not a puzzle, baby. The other one is the puzzle. Yun na lang puzzle ang bilhin mo.
Bago ko makalimutan guys, meron din palang bowling dyan. Kaya ako nire-recommenda yung Centro Commercial na ito dahil pampamilya talaga. Ang daming activities dito guys na ma-enjoy ng buong miyembro ng pamilya. So, kung interesado kayo guys at gusto nyo yung puntahan, ilalagay ko yung mga numbers ng green buses na pwede yung sakyan papuntang Into Xanadu. And then, andoon na rin yung mga drop-off points para hindi kayo maligaw. Alam nyo kung saan kayo bababa. Ayan guys, narinig niyo yung anak ko na excited siya kasi nakita niya na yung tinutukoy ko sa beginning of this video, yung Parque Nieve. So, andyan na yung sinasabi kong activities na snowboarding, skiing, and nandiyan na rin yung cable car. So, gusto niyang pumunta dyan, gusto niya matry. Sabi ko, next time na lang kapag andito ang daddy niya. Sabi ko, next time na lang kasi papasok muna kami sa aquarium. Sumunod naman. Mabait naman si Carissa, madaling sabihan.
추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe I can control. I miss you, baby. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 기억나 말 없이 걸었었던.
So, it's time na i-enjoy na namin ang Atlantis Aquarium, guys. So, sana mag-enjoy din kayo. Mabilis lang yung entrada namin, guys, kasi nakabili na si Kim ng tickets sa internet.
Ba, ito pala yung pinaghandaan mo. Nagbayad ka na pala. Magkano isang? Ha?
So, pwedeng mag-video doon, guys. Pwedeng mag-picture. Basta wala lang flash yung camera.
Hindi ako makahinga ng init na. Hindi na pwede sa akin ng face mask. Pwede pa ang ganda namin.
Char!
Kapatid lang. It's a ball.
First time ni Carissa to, guys, kaya nag-enjoy talaga siya. Nakakita ng maraming isda sa malaking aquarium.
Tingin ka sa mami. Wow, lots of fish, baby. Wow, what can you say? Uy, hindi ko na kayo na-videohan. Hola, baby. Fish, fish. It's not for playing.
Prince? Prince?
Smile. Baby! Karin! Run! Picturean ko kayo. Baby.
Baby, stay with
Tingin ka kay Prince, anak. Hawakan mo si Baby Prince, dali. Ako na rin. Carissa! Carissa, tumingin ka. Carissa, hawakan mo si Baby Prince. Umupo ka katabi ni Baby Prince, tapos hawakan mo si Baby Prince, dali. Dali, hawakan mo.
Prince?
Tingin siya.
Prince? 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 Prince?
Oops!
Wow, a little bit.
Prince? Ayusin mo yung paa niya para ibuka mo.
Dito ka, nak. Baby, benakin.
Wow, there's so many. Oh, this. Wow, look. Oh, look at this guy.
this. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Look, I look
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do,
Ano, pagod na.
every word I move, scripted like an adjective. I got a vendetta against me.
Pagod ka na. Ano, di ka napapagod? Oh, stop na.
Well, you go there, you go there, and then we watch you.
That can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. Only here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show.
Saan tayo? Ha? Kayo? Saan nyo gusto?
Maganda yung hindi pa natin nakainan sa Madrid.
Ang laki ng lagayan niya.
Pero mo sa atin.
Ha? Ubus niya yan lahat? Madami ba yan? Di, ano mo nga yung kutsara niya? Shut up. Kakain na yan, baby na yan. Kumakain na. Dami.
Para ano, pag yan, kailangan sa kumain eh.
Bebe, nag-enjoy ka na?
Yeah, in the start, mommy, you. Look guys, I buy this one to the what?
H&M.
Yeah. Guys, I'm so Peter Pooh. Everyone is that because I'm really so Peter Pooh.